to show you guys how to make some simple 3D shapes in processing. So we'll start off just by doing the usual void, don't know what that is, void setup, close, and void draw. And then in the setup, what we'll have to do is put in our size. So we'll make the size, the usual, I don't know, something like 700 by 600. And then this is the first thing when you're doing, close that out now, when you're doing 3D shapes, you need to add this P3D. Now what P3 does is it creates a sketch capable of rendering a three-dimensional shape, and it gives the effective depth by using the z-axis. So that's really important when you're doing 3D objects. And then just here, I'll just put no stroke. Stroke, close it off. Okay. No, sorry, what am I doing? So next, I'm just going to put in our variables, and so we're going to need float A for our rotation, float offset, and we'll give that value equal to pi divided by 18.0. And we'll int num. This will come past these. So initialize number 100, and then I equals to 10. Okay, so in the void draw, we'll start off by doing lights, and we need lights to give our shapes shadows. And what lights do is the function light sets the ambient light of the sketch, and we'll leave it default. So the default ambient light is the values of 128, 128, and 128. So 3 values in the lights. And we'll set our background to 0, just make it black. That's not a 0, it's a no. Okay, so here is where it gets interesting. So we have to put in a translate function, and we'll just do that with width divided by 4 and height divided by 3. So what this does, the translate function specifies an amount to displace the object within the display window. So it doesn't mean you're having things kind of half cut out and stuff like that. And then it's pretty simple now. So it's just now we'll have it so it's moving and rotating. So obviously we need a push matrix. Break it out, and with push matrix always comes pop matrix. Bracket it out. Okay, so now we'll just the box first. We'll just do it. So box. Oh, that doesn't go there. Sorry. So just the box first. It's literally just a box, and give it a value, which is the size. So if I were to play it now, we just have a box. Here it is, sorry. We just have a box, just black and white, just pretty plain. But we need to add, if we want it rotating, which is why we added the push and pop matrix, we'll need to put in rotations. So rotate, which makes the object rotate, and we'll put it as, so A, which is rotation, so A plus, which we gave it a rotation, plus the offset, which we made, which is pi divided by 19.0, multiplied by I. And we'll close that off. And then we'll do another one. Rotate. Oh, sorry. I should have been putting this as rotate Y and rotate X. So bracket that out. Close. So rotate X. And it's going to be A divided by 2 2 plus the offset. Sorry, spread that out. Offset multiplied by I again. So now if we were to play it, nothing happens. Oh, sorry. Yes, we need to give I a value. So A plus or equals 0.01. And so now, let's try that one more time. Oh, why isn't that working? Push matrix, pop matrix, box. Let me, sorry. Now, why isn't that? Background lights, push, pop, offset. That's weird. I don't know. Let me just put in STROKE. So we have no stroke. No, what am I doing? There you go. Sorry. Yeah. So I started to add the no stroke, so it kind of didn't stay on the black. So now we have the simple rotating cube. Let's add a bit of color to it. I have a lovely pink, which of course is the best color. So let's just put it in here. Let's go fill. I have a copy and pasted from the tool. So a nice pink. So now we have a nice pink rotating box.